Hello everyone, my name is Payal Singh and today's topic is a uniform civil code. Is it a step forward or a backward? So I give you that what is uniform civil code, what does it mean to the society, and how which are the documents, which are the arguments that support forward of this thing, and there are some arguments also against this. So first of all, discuss that what is Uniform Civil Code means. That simply means that we know that India is a country where uh, different religions are exist. Okay, so on the basis of that, we have different type of laws for different type of religion. For instance, if I belong to Hindu family, so I have a different laws regarding marriage, divorce, and adoption, and much more. Same as with him Muslim family, same as with Christian family, they have different types of laws on the basis of their religion and on the basis of their religious freedom. We all know that. So now we are converting into a uniform civil code. That means all the religions follow a personal type of law, means a set of laws are set according to some on the same platform, that all the religions follow it regarding marriage, adoption, integration, and regarding all of this. Okay, so it yes, it is so tough because not all religions accept it somehow. That's why there are many arguments who support it, and there are some arguments that against it. So first of all, let's talk about the positive thing, that what are the positive arguments that say that yes, it is a good step towards encouraging the country towards unity, integration. So first of all, starting with the first, that it encourages national unity. Means that if we all are belonging to different regions, but we are bound to particular laws, it create a type of unity as well, nation unity. Okay, we all are have one laws and one law system, so we know much about it. And it also created some type of unity, that you have a particular law, I have a particular law, and maybe that intercaste nahi, inter-region marriages are also open after that, maybe. Or maybe we can see a bigger view over it. Okay, and we are toward the way that now considered as an educated country, so we are not bound toward that religion methods. Okay, so that's a important thing. Second thing is simplifications of laws. Definitely, now we have different regions, so different type of laws are existed, so it's a type of mess as well. So if we create a one set of uniform civil, so UCC basically, so it definitely reduces the consumption of too many laws, and it create a type of simplification. Third thing is that what? Mm, it also relaxation somehow. For example, you can say that Hindu marriages is very Hindu divorce are tough, like as compared to Muslim, because Muslim do not have uh, such type of paperwork. They triple talaq is their way. And if I say that Hindu marriages are not, so some that in between find out, so that both the religions have a benefit, so somehow they also get relaxation what they don't want to, because somehow religious burden is also considering a vehicle, as they can't change their religion and they have to follow it, still they don't like it. And there are too many things on Hindus as well, like there are some, so we just find a midway, so that it helps to solve the issues. Next thing is fulfilling constitutional goals, because constitution also wants something that is very unite and national integration of all of us. So that's a quite good step towards country integration, and we are bound to one type of laws that definitely encourages us towards less fights and more towards, and maybe uh, because maybe somehow laws are also created the differences between the religions. Okay, when we live in a country like India, have a different religions, but we are bounded towards one type of laws that definitely support us as an nation integration. According to me, it's a foundation, because we have different languages, still we have only one country name. So it's also like we have different religions, but we have a particular type of law. So this also created India like country is a very good step towards it. Okay, and maybe there is Article 44 that to allows us to work on the some type of same type of laws. Okay, apart from this, are the arguments that favor this, that many things are views over it. And let's know that what are the arguments that against towards uniform civil code. So first one is that it it against the Article 25, that religious freedom, because most of the people do not get that religious freedom in this, because if we bound them to a particular type of laws, then they have to follow them, and they can't do their religious practices on the basis of their thing. For example, Muslim marriages contain some type of things that is very necessary for them, but if I change them some a different thing, maybe they don't accept it. And if they don't accept it, they are bound towards their religious freedoms and equality, and they think that they are somehow restrict to their religious freedom and practices. So that violates their Article 25, that allows them to freely do religious practices. Second thing second thing is cultures and religious sensitivity. Definitely they towards their cultural thing, they are deeply rooted with their something, they are religious, and starting to ending they are just follow blindly. Okay, but eventually we say that you have to follow these laws. So this is something like very disturbing for them, and maybe not accepting. And it flips out our arguments that support it. So maybe it created fights, it created some type of disturbance between us. So that's all. And lack of consensus is also a part of that. It creates a political and social agreement, because most of the people religions, like maybe I make the law, or some type I relaxation on the Hindu, maybe one type of law I love that, maybe it's a good in Hindu marriages but not in Muslim marriages. So I created that. Maybe Muslim thinks that this is for Hindus. We are follow Hindus. Um, we are just feel down. Maybe they did feel down and they feel dominated. Okay, by the Hindus. So this is type of thing may be created. So that's all. And fourth thing, is it truly needed? Is it truly need that we should accept uniform civil law? We really want a particular set of laws for all the religions? Can't we survive in this? So yes, or is a better alternative? Yes, there is a better alternative. If we have a personal problem with their personal laws, personal religions laws, we can change it though. We can work in, or maybe for example, there are so many problems in adoption in Hindu marriages. So we should relaxation on it, we should work on it personally by religions. Why we are lying on one particular set of laws that created so much conflict nowadays? So that's also a point, that is it truly needed? Is it truly now the time to get work on it? So okay, so it's very simple that now we have to work like a step forward with a caution. Okay, maybe we are towards the idea that ensure equality and justice, but not properly. Today was the era to work on it. Okay, because there are too many things right now to maintain it. Okay, so its government must consult religious leader. First of all, we should know that what are the arguments that Muslim leaders want. Okay, they are ready to change it or they are not. So somehow we know that what are the religious leaders want to carry, and create a public to that respect India diversity, that we create a laws on the basis of them. And we just reflect diversity. Yes, we are live in a different religions, but considered or bound by one type of laws. That's something like very unity. Okay, rather than seeing UCC art threat, we can use as in a different way that yes, it's a work as a UCC. Maybe maybe it work like it work as a unity thing means we can say that nowadays India have a different type of religion. Maybe somehow um, fights are also there between Hindus, Christians, Hindu Muslims, and there are some areas of UP and Haryana mostly fight are getting because of Punjabis, and there are a lot more discussion. Maybe this type of laws reduce it. So it's also a good step if we taking very wisely or cautionly. Okay, not pressurized to implement it. Just listen that what they want, different religions what they want towards it, and if the laws are created, then all the religious teachers or all the persons are very concerned that they should good or not. Okay, so it's also that's all. Thank you so much.